day everyone, we are Group 20 and I'm Shali Krishnamurthy. Today our topic is about global warming, the science, impact and its solution. Global warming, a term that has become synonymous with climate change, refers to the long-term rise in Earth's average surface temperature due to human activity, particularly the emission of greenhouse gases. This phenomenon poses significant challenges and threats to our planet, affecting natural ecosystem, human health and economics worldwide. Through a comprehensive approach that includes strategies, measures, and international cooperation, we can work together minimize the unfavorable effect of global warming and ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come. The increasing concentration of greenhouse gases within the gas atmosphere are causing temperature of the planet to increase at a high rate. The phenomena itself is called global warming. Have you guys ever heard about Goal 13? Sound quite different, isn't it? Goal 13 is meant to take an urgent action to combat climate changes and its impact. The graph in our poster represents the temperature of the Earth from 1880 to 2020. The temperature keep on increasing every year. That's all from me. Now I would like to pass to my friend for the further explanation about our poster. Thank you.
Okay, this is the second part, the effects of global warming. Well, the first effect is a higher temperature. Firstly, the average global temperature has increased by 1.36 Celsius since 1880. Higher temperatures pose serious health risks, such as heat stroke to humans and animals. Well, and health risks increase frequency and the severity of heat waves can lead to heat-related illness such as heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Vulnerable population, including the elderly and young children, are particularly at risk, and then higher temperatures can result in increased mortality rates, especially during prolonged heat waves. And then the next effect is the disruption of ecosystem. Well, here are two pictures in the poster. Well, in the left side is bleached coral. This is an example of this is the Great Barrier Reef, which coral reefs are bleaching. Well, global warming has a very serious impact on corals, resulting in coral bleaching and mass deaths, usually caused by rising sea temperatures. When sea temperatures exceed a certain threshold, corals suffer several heat stress, leading to the release of symbiotic algae, which makes the corals lose their color and makes them more vulnerable to disease. If the heat lasted too long, the coral may even die. These phenomena have caused significant damage to coral reef ecosystem around the world, threatening marine biodiversity and eco balance. And then the animals and plants are affected as they lose their habitats. This has and will lead to the extinction of certain species if global temperatures continue to rise. The brocade mosaic-tailed rat went extinct due to this habitat being destroyed by rising sea levels. It is the first mammal to go extinct as a result of climate change.
Okay, I will introduce the effects of global warming, part 2. Melting ice caps and glacier and increased droughts. The first one is melting ice caps and glacier. The rising temperature is causing ice caps and glaciers to melt, leading to higher sea levels. Italy is currently sinking due to the rising sea levels. Arctic and Antarctic animals are experiencing loss of habitat and lack of source of food. Look at the picture. Polar bear at risk of starvation as Arctic ice sheets melt. It lost habitat and cannot find any food. The second part, increased droughts. The rate of evaporation of water from soil, plants, and water bodies has increased due to higher temperatures, leading to drier conditions. The picture shows the drought in lake.
everyone is the third part, the causes of global warming. The deforestation is the purposeful clearing of forested land. Trees store and absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. The clearing of forests prevents the ecosystem's natural ability to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. It is releasing large amounts of greenhouse gases. It have three parts. The first, manufacturing goods. Manufacturing companies typically use non-renewable resources such as fossil fuels to produce their goods. The process releases a significant amount of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Secondly, food production. The machines used in food production companies runs on fossil fuels, thus releasing greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. The last one is frequent usage of transportation. The usage of vehicles such as cars, vans, and airplanes cause the excessive emission greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide when the fossil fuels are burned by the engine.
Climate change refers to the long-term rise in Earth's average surface temperature due to
Okay, everyone. So I think introduction, the first part is a word of part and global warming. So it's about the 3R. What it means 3R? 3R means is first reduce, second research, and the last recover. So I think human in the life we can reduce maybe use not use the oil engine, or maybe we can use the green engine like such as spreading traditional library board with IED and using the public transportation or covering as hydra closed product for using travel. And the result, I think human in the life can. For example, the past consider can be read again to certain things by second-hand clothing, not by the first-hand clothing. And the doors are closed if you want to transport if their store is good concentration. And the recovering can be done by supporting worst. If you drink the mineral water, I think the mineral water bottle can recover and to tell your family maybe in the life okay next every some things can recover.
Okay, moving on to another way to prevent global warming. So planting more trees is often highlighted as a crucial strategy for combating global warming due to the multiple environmental benefits trees actually provide. Number one being carbon sequestration. So trees typically, as everyone knows, they absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere during photosynthesis. This carbon is stored in their biomass such as trunks, branches, leaves, roots, and the soil. So this process reduces the amount of carbon dioxide, which is a major greenhouse gas in the atmosphere. So mature forests, such as Amazon forest, can store significant amount of carbon, which in return mitigates the effects of climate change. Number two being, trees actually provide a cooling effect to the environment. That is because trees provide shade and they also release water vapor into the air through transpiration. When trees provide shade, people don't necessarily find the need to use air conditioning in buildings, and in return, it lowers the energy consumption and associated emissions. Transpiration, on the other hand, when trees release water vapor into the air, the surrounding area has a cooling effect. The last but not least way to prevent global warming is by conducting a citizen science project. The citizen science project that Group Chinti would like to propose is titled Weather Observation. This project can be joined by anyone at any time. The venue has to be outdoor, as the explanation for this project is that the participants have to be recording the clouds, precipitation, and wind patterns for a certain amount of time to determine and understand the connection between the weather patterns and global warming. The main purpose of this project is to spread awareness to people about global warming. When they learn more about global warming, they will put more effort to reduce the rate of global warming and to save the earth. That is all from Group 20. Thank you.
Thank you.